What's up you guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Tanisha. In case you're watching me for the very first time, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and you can also check me out on my Instagram account. This is like a varsity jacket that I got from Urbanic. Also I think so ये वाला available होगा Myntra पे भी. For today's video, obviously wedding season आ गया है. You are going to be the wedding guest and बहुत सारे invitations आने वाले हैं, and you need to know कि what can you buy, what are the good options and everything. And also I have this spare phone with me, so I'll just show you my Myntra wishlist. And I always purchase stuff from Myntra for this wedding season and all of that. ये brand है which is called Thread and Button. This is the brand that I've like recently discovered, and ये इतना अच्छा है, is just a statement piece because of the sleeves for sure. Like एक बार उसके sleeves को देख लो कितना ज़्यादा pretty है ये sleeves. The whole kurta is pretty simple only. It's like a short kurta, and even the back portion it has this detailing. पीछे में ये back portion की जो detailing है. If you want to stand out in the wedding season, oh my god, you should definitely get this one. And इसके नीचे आता है ये काफ़ी घेर वाला शरारा. Is just look at the size chart, you guys. The size chart has options till 5XL. I've never seen this diverse of a size chart before. And this is the next one that we have, which is like a chiffon material, like georgette material, and then उसके अंदर you got a inner lining. Day time का कोई event है for even say like haldi or something, like engagement, and also works with this one. One shoulder strap का style है और एक sleeves है, and also it comes with a very matching potli over here, which is so interesting. This matching potli that you get, which is also very cute aesthetic. Next, let me show you something in a slightly simple solid color. This is from the brand Anok, and this is only for 700, which is such a great price. I love the purple color. Sharara pant over here with this golden motifs ka sharara pants, which is also looking very smart, and I'm telling you this will look so good if you pair it up with something contrast color. You can add like a neon color dupatta or a yellow color dupatta, or you can add green color ke jewelry pieces or something like that. You can wear nice shades and everything. Like sunglasses look so good with this kind of look. You will look bomb, I'm telling you. Or even you can add loads and loads of oxidized jewelry along with this one. वो भी बहुत अच्छी लगेगी. So let me show you oxidized jewelry का option. So this is the jewelry piece that I'm going to show you. This is from Karat Cart, and this is again so detailed and pretty and in green color. Green color emeralds go with all of the outfits mostly. If you don't want the mantika, apart from the mantika also you have separate neck and earring ka set over here. Even this rubans is also very nice. Lightly like on the expensive side, but this is like a unique piece. And even yellow chimes is something that you can look forward to. This is the one from yellow chimes जो कि बहुत ही dainty और ऐसे एकदम stone वाले design में है. तो आपको अगर एकदम minimal और dainty style चाहिए तो yellow chimes भी you can check. Also if you want to check out yellow chimes, you can check it out from Amazon, क्योंकि Amazon का मैंने देखा है कि Amazon में it's on a more affordable rate. Before I get ahead into the other pieces for today's video, let me just tell you about a solution to get back your natural skin glow, which we usually miss out because of the pollution happening. So there is a lot of dullness in the skin and everything. You can solve this with the Dermaco's 10% Cica Glow Face Serum, which has Cica extract that is known to have very moisturizing properties, and it also helps in the synthesis of hyaluronic acid. It is super lightweight and absorbs in no time. It fades away your dark spots and controls the melanin production, and it's also super duper easy to use. Like all you have to do is just take 2 to 3 drops of this face serum and apply it all over your face and massage it gently until it gets absorbed, and that's it. It is very important to follow it up with a broad spectrum sunscreen, and nothing is better than the sunscreen from Dermaco, which is their 1% hyaluronic sunscreen aqua gel, which has SPF of 50 and PA++++ rating. This is super duper lightweight. It gets absorbed like magic. Like it has a water like texture, like it just gets absorbed quickly, no white cast, nothing. So it is a combination of hyaluronic acid and also vitamin E, which helps to fade away those fine lines and wrinkles. Apply it all over your face as well as neck, and you can reapply it after every 3 to 4 hours. Also, in case you guys did not know, all of the new Dermaco products are fragrance free, and also every time you purchase from them, they'll link your order for Child Lab to help you educate along with Bhumi, and they have pledged to help 10,000 plus students across the year. So you can get a 20% off on their official website if you use my code Rathor 2022, and they are also available on Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart. Do not forget to check them that out. The link is below. Let's get into the other pieces. We have this next one from Rajgranth, which is again like a fusion sort of style. So you get this dhoti kind of look. I'm not very sure कि dhoti बोल भी सकते हैं कि नहीं. It's a very unique fusion style. Have a top on top of this and then you also have a jacket. I love the गोटा पट्टी style. उससे काफी heaviness आ जाती है. इसके साथ भी अच्छे से shades, goggles, sunglasses डालने से काफी अच्छा लगेगा ये look. पीछे से you can see this design of the jacket. It looks very smart and very different. This is again for 1000 rupees and it has so many color options. This is from Rajgranth. Indo era का जो collection है वो बहुत अच्छा है. If you want to go in the proper ethnic section like जो कुर्ता, प्लाजो and कुर्ता pants का जो style होता है, if you want to go proper ethnic, then you can check out Indo era as well. This is one of the pieces from Indo era. Next up we also have in weave, which is again very nice for fresh and trendy sort of item. You know, like young girls who do not want to go for very ethnic style, you can definitely go for something like this. Cute detailing, वो frill वाला जो detailing है वो बहुत ही cute है. And नीचे में you also get this dhoti style, which is also very smart. Like it's a very different sort of a dhoti style, like very loose pattern वाला, very different style. This is again pure cotton material and it is only for 1200 rupees, which is again a great price. You have a lot of color option as well. If you want to go for oxidized jewelry, try out Shining Diva का collection. This is one of the pieces from them. But इसके अलावा भी और भी बहुत सारे options available है उनके पास, और थोड़े से heavy भी available है. बहुत सारे प्यारे प्यारे bangles like cuffed bangles, cuffs type के bangle भी बहुत सारे available है. And this is the one only for 400 bucks. मतलब इसके price range तो बहुत ही slashed है. 400, 500, 600, the very less price. Next one is this one from Inweave. Again very smart style, very different style, something that I would personally wear. The pop of color is perfect and the style is perfect. You have only this one crossbody shoulder sort of style. This is very pretty style that she has done. Like these sunglasses and everything is just perfect the way it is going. तो आप golden jewelry डाल सकते हैं. बहुत ज़्यादा heavy jewelry डालने की ज़रूरत नहीं है इसमें. It's more like a smart side का look. And this is only for 791 rupees. Can you just imagine? This is such a nice piece with this less cost. And इसके साथ you should carry something like a very heavy purse, like एकदम embroidered purse or something like that. उसके options भी मैंने रखे हैं. This is a very good brand. इसके सारे पर्स के ऑप्शन इतने ज़्यादा अच्छे हैं कि आपको कुछ ना कुछ तो उसमें से पसंद आ ही जाएगा. दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट वन दैट आई लव एंड मैंने ये बेसिकली ये इसलिए सेलेक्ट किया क्योंकि इसमें बहुत सारे कलर्स हैं. यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ मिरर वर्क एज वेल, तो ये बेसिकली सबके साथ ही जाएगा. एंड जो मैंने अभी पिंक वाला पीस दिखाया उसके साथ कितना ज़्यादा खूबसूरत कॉन्ट्रास्ट करेगा बिकॉज इट हैज़ कलर्स ऑफ ब्लू, इट हैज़ येलो, ऑरेंज एंड ग्रीन. इसमें आपको स्लिंग भी मिल जाएगी, सो यू कैन कैरी इट लाइक दैट. यू कैन ऑल्सो कैरी इट जस्ट इन योर हैंड एज वेल. दिस इज अवेलेबल for 1400. I know it is slightly in the pricier end because it is like a hand embroidered work, and you can see these are all of the options from the same brand and all of them are like just perfect. Literally make the entire look complete. Even if you're wearing something solid color and something very simple, a bag like this can, you know, change the whole game and it will look very smart. बहुत different style में. This is the one from H&M and ये बहुत आपने शायद बहुत जगह ये चीज़ देखी होगी. You know, you have the cocktail party events. इसमें ये वाला पर्स is just the perfect one that you can carry. It's a very smart style, very nice design. It will go with western also and it will go with ethnic also. The brand called Miragio and इसकी ये वाली पर्स, ये पिंक पर्स, हॉट पिंक कलर पर्स एंड इसके और भी कलर ऑप्शन है. यू हैव दिस ब्लू ऑप्शन एज वेल. दिस इज सच अ यूनिक पर्स. Wow, like you can contrast this with any of your outfit and you would look bomb. Like, okay, so I think so that is pretty much it for today's video. I hope I helped you guys with the whole wish list sort of thing. So you can go and check out all of these stuff. I'll link all of these stuff down below for you guys so you can check out.